Welcome back to Run Up the Flagpole. I'm Jake.
And I'm Cody.
And today we're in Abingdon, Virginia to highlight one of our 3 Concord American Flagpole manufacturing facilities to show how we take a raw tapered shaft and turn it into the flagpole that you would receive. So let's go check it out.
All right.
In the final step of the flagpole making process, tapered satin finish shafts are fabricated to the exact specifications of received orders. We first start by cutting out hand or cleat holes depending on the requested pole style, using a custom designed plasma cutter to ensure all openings are cut accurately and efficiently. Here you can see the laser prepping the shaft to become a sovereignty model pole by first cutting out the bolt holes to attach the reinforced raised door frame as well as the hand hole to access the winch. The speed and accuracy of cutting poles this way allows Concord American Flagpole to maintain high quality standards for poles as well as the industry's quickest lead times. If a shoe base is required, the pole is cut down to its final exposed height before the base flange is welded to the pole by a technician. After welding, the pole is then heat treated again to ensure all material is tempered to the same state, eliminating any weak points between the base flange and the pole. This is where having heat treating capabilities on site can really save customers weeks or even months on lead time. At this point, the pole is ready for any additional finishing that may be required. In the case of painted poles, Concord American Flagpole utilizes an in-house powder coating line for quick turnaround and unlimited color options. Having control of this step also ensures paint quality meets our strict standards as well as reducing damages that can occur in transit to and from another facility.
All right. Now that you've seen everything Concord American Flagpole does, from extrusion to spinning to finalizing and paint, we do it all.
And we're the only ones that do it all. It's that vertical integration that makes us your flagpole leader. So thanks again for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. This has been Run Up the Flagpole. I'm still Jake.
And I'm Cody.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Abingdon, Virginia, flagpole product. All right, now that you've seen everything that Concord American does for you,